Hi, I'm Jeremy Fisher, and in this tutorial we're going to learn The Times They Are A-Changin' by Bob Dylan. Now there are a few different ways to play this. There are many different recordings of it, and I actually learned something from the original recording just listening back now that I had assumed probably from other versions I heard. A chord toward the end of the refrain that's different than I thought it was. So let's see if it makes sense to you. I'm going to play through exactly what I played there in the intro and exactly what I hear on the record, and then we'll talk about what's happening at that refrain and some alternate things that you could play. All right, so walking through the chords: G, E minor, C, G. And the second phrase is G, E minor, C, D. And then the third phrase is the same as the first: G, E minor, C, G. Next we have G, A minor, D. And in this part, the most exciting bass line in the whole song: D, C add 9, kind of. It's like a D over C, probably, is more the way you would think of it. We'll call it D over C. G over B, D, and then the refrain: G, D, G. The strumming pattern is super easy. It's just downstroke, 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 and it's in threes. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I just did the alternate version automatically there because that's how I've always played it. Anytime I've played this song, I've automatically assumed it goes: the times they are a-changin'. And on the recording from the record, the times they are a-changin', to my ear, it sounds like he's just playing the times they are a-changin'. There's no C chord that I can hear. Definitely on the Peter, Paul, and Mary version, and many other versions, possibly some versions he's done, Bob Dylan has played live, there is a C chord in there. It makes sense to me. Like, it feels wrong not to put a C chord in there, but I really don't hear one on the original recording. So that's the only controversy in this tutorial. You tell me what you think. What do you hear? What sounds or feels right to you? I'd be curious to know in the comments. One other thing that I'll say about this is that when you're playing when you're strumming this with your right hand, it's a good idea to really hit that root note confidently. He's just, on the recording, it's pretty consistent that he's hitting all the strings with the same amount of force, but it is nice to, when you're playing solo acoustic guitar, it's nice to accent those root notes because it helps the listener hear the harmonic rhythm of what's happening. You know, this song is in threes, so it really defines the chord change a little bit better, but do as you wish. It's a nice, easy song. If you're gonna play harmonica, I believe it's a straight harp, so you're gonna play the harmonica in the key of G as well. Those are all my tips. Have fun playing this song. If you're looking for more tutorials or to connect with me personally, please visit patreon.com/JeremyFisherMusic. My patrons support all the tutorials on this channel and everything I do on this channel, so I'd like to say a big thank you to them, and hopefully I'll see you over there in that growing community. Thanks, and I'll be back here soon for another music tutorial.